Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the OKX desktop interface to show you exactly where the take profit and stop loss tools are. Let's get into it. Step 1. Locate the order entry panel. Once you're logged into OKX, head to the Trade button at the top and select Spot or Perpetuals. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the standard order entry box where you usually type in your price and amount. This is where your risk management starts. Step 2. Activating the TP and SL fields. By default, the exit fields are often hidden to keep the UI clean. To see them, look just below the Amount or Total slider. You'll see a small checkbox labeled TP SL. When you click that box, it expands the menu to reveal two specific fields, Take Profit and Stop Loss. This is what traders call a bracket order. It allows you to set your target and your safety net at the exact same time you place your entry. Step 3. Understanding the trigger types. If you look closely at those new fields, you'll see a drop-down that says Last. In 2026, OKX gives you the option to trigger your TP and SL based on the last price, mark price, or index price. Most day traders stick with last price, but if you're trading futures with high leverage, mark price can help you avoid getting stopped out by temporary price wicks. Step 4. Using the calculation shortcuts. Notice the small percentage buttons beneath the boxes, like 10%, 25%, and 50%. If you don't have a specific price level in mind, but you know you want to risk 5% to make 10%, you can click these buttons. OKX will automatically do the math for you and fill in the exact price levels based on your entry. It's a huge time saver when the market is moving fast. Step 5. Previewing your orders on the chart. Before you ever hit that buy or sell button, look over at your main chart. As you type numbers into the TP and SL boxes, you'll see ghost lines appear on your TradingView chart. This allows you to visually confirm if your stop loss is tucked safely behind a support level, or if your take profit is hitting a known resistance zone before you commit to the trade. And that is the full tour of the TP and SL setup on OKX. Now you know exactly where to go to protect your capital. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.